Alright, time to touch grass.
如果真的太好，如錯看了都好，不想證實有沒有過傾慕，是無理或有心像迷像戲，誰又會似我演得更好？
其實我細個成日都覺得可能隨住時間嘅沖淡，可能我喺我18歲或者可能20幾歲嘅時候，我已經可能知道究竟我想追求嘅答案係咩。咁但係 truthfully not。好 hell no。希望我唔會俾人我要好快咁去揾個，我要翻返去先。唔知呢個係咪淨係我定係所有人都係咁啊？即係當你喺細個嘅時候，你會好想變做大人，你就會覺得我有所有嘅自由。然後去到大個嘅時候，你反而就會覺得好想變翻細路。哇！16歲人生好玩。To be honest， 我覺得人生最開心嘅階段，可能就係呢一段階段，就係嗰啲可能你可以去放肆，想做你自己想做嘅嘢嘅時候啊。咁其實基本上過呢個階段 I guess it will be less fun, but hey, I mean, to be honest， 我個性格啲大細路嘅，所以應該 I guess I will be happier because I didn't think too much. Or maybe I think too much, I act like a child. That is another thing that may be the fact. But yeah, except that actually, sitting down here, looking around, today's a pretty sunny day though, I'll be honest. So yeah, I guess 咁我18歲啊。咁 shit. I think I need to grab my friend and I need to do my coursework now. So yeah，第二日咁我而家就喺學校一個 entrance 中間咯 ，well 就係咁咯。咁其實呢個都係一個幾靚嘅地方啦。Anyway， 咁其實我而家越嚟越大個，發現其實你永遠都未必追求到嗰個答案。可能最珍貴嗰 part、最寶藏嗰 part 係你喺追求緊呢件事嘅嗰啲嘅回憶 ，which is 係我而家越嚟越大個開始越嚟越珍惜嘅嘢啦。Guess what? Just walking around. Term time. Right. Was it? Secure. Alright, during term time. Alright, it's not term time anymore. It's flipping 7.
Gotta you make my heart beat fast. Too soon and I'm way too attached. You're the best that I ever had. That's the first time I hope it.
Hey guys, we're here. 我而家就係 prep school。Well, to be honest， 啲就係一啲年輕嘅有錢細路。Shit, sounds like 我唔係 blessed，but whatever。So yeah, shit。我暑入嚟小學部啊，咁 whatever。Yeah, it's pretty cool。小學 well, not most of my classmates were here。當係小學嘅時候 ，but yeah，其實呢度真係好多遊樂園，咁真係開心好多，比起我間小學㗎。But if you know， 如果你喺屯門住嘅話，我係讀一間叫何日東嘅小學。Just you know it's not that bad，but 因為我讀書唔掂啊 ，well。That's why I'm in England. Well, anyway， 就係 yeah 絕對冇咁 youthful 啊。咁 yeah， 咁調翻轉，我都喺度諗，咦？如果係我要同我小學嘅自己講一句嘢，或者去俾一個 advice， 我會俾咩 seriously 我話就去試下唔同嘢啦，唔好咁怕醜，唔好咁怕孤獨啦。Yeah， 我估呢個就係個 advice，but 人大咗反而覺得好似越嚟越揾唔到童真嗰一面啊。雖然我可以話喺我啲 friend 入邊仲有童真咯，but at the end of the day 有一樣嘢叫現實，你都要面對嘅。你要面對你之後要做嘢啦，你要照顧自己，照顧屋企人，it's lot of stuff。I'll be honest， 呢個都唔係每個人最想面對嘅嘢。But 最諷刺嗰個位就係，當你喺小學嘅時候，你老師會叫你寫我的志願，然後之後你永遠都會諗到嘢寫。咁其實我嗰陣時候都諗唔到自己寫咩。我嗰陣時好似係話我成世做咗中學生算啦，屌！好似其實去到而家，如果可以嘅話，我都想成世做一個中學生嘅幾好，即係冇乜壓力咁樣，即係 chill 下咁啊過一日。Yeah，but reality 唔係咁樣運作噶嘛。咁去到呢個位，18歲，而家中學生，都其實好多嘢未做到啦，有好多嘢未做好啊。咁都有啲嘢係做好咗啦。It's good， but to be honest， 未做好同埋未做到嘅 percentage 係多啲啊。But yeah，look at these children parks。I'll be real， 呢個就係我 Year 7同 Year 8成日嚟嘅地方，就係呢個遊樂場啦。嗰陣時候真係冇乜同齡嘅 friend 可以一齊玩啊。咁但係嗰陣時候基本上有時喺隔離盪下千秋咁樣，有時 just find something for fun。Alright。喂 ，Hold the fuck up！ 喂，有呢度千秋 ，shit！ 等陣先坐落去玩下先。我 fuck 濕過算 ，OK。咁但係因為記得以前 Year 8嘅時候，3、5知己喺度玩呢個千秋，係咁喺度揈下揈去，真係好純粹嘅。比起而家啲，而家啲係要去剪片，要打機。雙重保護啊！屌係咪？
这里陶醉于你的双眼，我们怎样能谈到3点？话题到了终点，但你却不想离线，把手机放在耳边，感觉沉默的温暖。人生你之后轮流150。
I'll be real with you, bro. To be honest， 其實我拍片咁耐啊，有好多嘅 moment 都喺度諗緊，會唔會 quit， 會唔會成咁 ？Yeah， 太多 in fact。咁但係事實上 ，yeah， 我仲喺度。咁 yeah， 縱觀翻可能呢18年 ，I kind of feel like 我有啲太在乎可能所有其他人嘅眼光，成咁。But truthfully， 可能嗰啲嘅人喺10年之後，你都唔會再講嘢噶啦。咁 but yeah，but 呢個就係可能我前5年嘅心態。But yeah， it does change a bit。而去到而家嘅我，有時會覺得其實即係喺嗰啲無論係惡意定係善意嘅負面評論都好啊。咁其實每一個呢啲嘅笑話入邊都有一個真相嘅。就 yeah， 呢個就係 kind of 我 get 到嘅 課堂啊，人生課題啦，I guess。But truthfully, that is the fact. Nowadays， 我而家喺度向外望，見到無盡嘅景色，我開始可以慨嘆，其實人生係咪真係咁？咁然後之後我都係一個成日喺度反思人生嘅人啦，一個細路啦，喺度諗，究竟點咁？But 有時其實反而真係唔好諗咁多，即係有時諗太多，反而真係你冇去做嗰樣嘢，咁你冇去做嗰樣嘢，你根本 practice 唔到嗰樣嘢。But yeah, that's it. I think that's it. And 仲有一樣嘢，其實如果有一個機會，我同我自己12歲嘅我自己講嘅話，我知道可能呢個出現咗可能2次呢個成 ，but 我話就係唔好怕失敗咯。正所謂失敗乃成功之母，呢個係一個好真嘅一樣嘢。同時，我覺得當你喺失敗嘅時候，你學到嘅嘢比起你成功嘅時候學到嘅嘢，可能係多起碼2倍咁多。所以唔好驚失敗咁多，同埋唔好驚俾人笑。即係I mean，柒咗，有時啲嘢真係你冇得話去諗，柒咗點樣去唔柒喎，有啲難。老實講，we all need to go through that phase，即係嗰啲我好擔心我嘅形象，我偶像形象會唔會冇咗I don't know. I'm not an idol though. I'm not an idol though. So that's why I'm really real. Maybe. 我唔知 But anyway. So far so good. So yeah. Conclusion. Just be you. I don't know, is it a good conclusion though? You tell me. Alright, I'm gonna need to go home and fucking sleep, bro. 咁下條片應該有趣啲嘅，相信我下條片係會有趣啲啲。Oh shit.